Well, you went fishing this morning, and this rascal, look how long he is. Look at the size of that mouth, and look at that belly. Must be full of other fish and little things. May weighed it, and it's 12 kilograms, and 12 kilograms is about 26 pounds. So he's a big rascal. He certainly is a big rascal. My word, look at these river monsters today. Huge, huge catfish. Thank you, Ping. Well, look at the River Low. And the fields are flooded at the side. And the weir has totally disappeared. Wow. I wonder if I can get to the farm. Well. Uh-oh. The Namlow is in the corn there. Now that corn will be moribund. It'll be dead in, it can't stand much more than a day in water before it dies. Oh, there we go. Yep. Lots of debris coming down. Well, the fields are flooded and everybody's out net fishing, and the road to the farm is flooded, so I'm going to have to go around a different way. This corn will die, but there's lots of fruit on there, so no problem. Whoa, fit fly. Well, we are in the rainy season. Well, this is the back way around that avoids the dip. Here's a young rubber plantation, and until it blots out the light, they're growing corn in between. Well, I've rejoined the farm road, and that was hairy, to say the least. The road was overgrown, totally wet, mud, potholes, slip sliding, but once you're in it, there's nowhere to turn round. You've got to keep going. So I must say I was panicking a little bit. Wow, that's written off corn as well there. That lake is a valley, believe it or believe it not. There's our cattle out on the grass. Okay, you.
Yeah.
Play
Ah.
Sips on kilo. Well, this is our fields, and This is where May's fish trap is, and this is why her fish trap is so successful, because the fish come on out of the flooded river to graze, and as the water recedes they end up in the trap. I don't know who that is. Oh, it might be Jon, May's brother. Well, I won't be going back that way. I'll be going back round turn, the long way. Hopefully it's passable. Oh my god, if I'd have known it was this bad, I would not have come this way. Well, if I'd have known it was this bad, I wouldn't have come out, but I've got a job to do and I want to get on with it. Jenny Penny coming down the drive. This is the remnants of a large limb that blew down in a storm the other night, so I chopped it all up with the chainsaw. I got to put that through the chipper. I'll compost that. Loads of logs in the old wheelbarrow there. And it's Friday the 18th in the afternoon, and this is the first afternoon for a while it's not rained. My god, I've no chance of getting on the lawn to cut the grass. Well wet. I scraped out this channel here and to get rid of the water, dug a channel around the back because this was massively waterlogged, because of course we built the workshop here so the water can't get away. Big mistake. Anyway, what am I doing? Well, these are jacaranda trees, seeds that I germinated. Stephen from Australia sent me a lot of seeds, but only 3 have germinated. Anyway, so this is a trailer I brought from the farm. It's a little hand barrow that the generator sits on, and we've got massive amounts of work to do on the cow shed, so that means loads of welding and concreting and different things. There's issues at the farm and I've got to spend some money down there. Don't want to do, but I have to do, because the barn is in danger of collapse. Absolutely my fault in the design I did. Same design as I did with these 4x4 100mm by 100mm posts into the concreted in, but with the bovine urine it's rotted right through those posts, because I should have sloped the concrete away from them and created a channel. I didn't. I did know better. My own fault. But anyway, so this is this little dolly, this little dilly here. Dan and I made this 8 or 9 years ago when we built the barn, and it's designed to fit the generator here and the welding machine there, that we can transport it with these. And it's been at the farm and it's full of rust and full of SH1T, so I'm rubbing it down, and I'm going to paint it and refurbish it a little bit, get the generator on along with the welder and everything else, and away we go. I've bought a new small extension cable, fixed that up this morning. Damned expensive, 500 baht there, over about $12 there. That I had in stock, that I had to buy, and the cable I had to buy. So I want to crack on. We will see you in a little while. Well, I've rubbed the framework down and coated it, give it an undercut, and when that's dried later on or tomorrow, I'll give it some gloss. Then we'll put the wheels back on, assemble it up, get everything together and head off to the farm. Well, she looks a bit better for a rubbing down and a couple of coats of paint. I'll get it all kitted out tomorrow, ready to go. Well, here we've got our welding rig for the farm. The generator, the trolley, welder, welding rods, mask, welding hammer, and everything that we need. And the next time you see this, it will be in action repairing the shed at the farm. And at the moment we're hampered by the floods, can't really get down there, but that only lasts, floods only last on average 1, 2, 3 days will be a long one before we can't get to the farm, much to the chagrin of the brothers Grimm, because they would like it to last weeks and weeks and weeks, purely because they get more fish and they sell the fish. Hunter-gatherers, you know, it's fantastic. I love you and leave you. See you later, alligator. Bye bye for now.